Okay, we have a tricky question here. It's an Olympiad question. I would like to explain what an Olympiad question is for the benefit of those who do not understand. And Olympiad question is a question that actually tasks your memory. All right. It tends to evaluate your ability to think outside the box, and then to apply mathematical principles, basic mathematical principles in solving questions or preferring solution to questions. So now we have this here. It says 3x all over x to the power of 0 equals to root x. And the question said find x. Right, we have to solve for x. Now looking at this, there's an x here, there's an x here, and there's an x here. How do we unify everything and just have one x? That's the question. So that's where you say it actually tasks your understanding. Now let's go ahead and do that. First of all, you need to apply a lot of principles. Over here, this is saying 3 times x. This one is saying x to the power of 0. This is saying square root of x. The first thing we can do is just see in each of the terms, this is a term, this is a term, this is a term. In each of the terms, can you rewrite these terms in their different form, in other forms, to help you find the solution to this problem? Yes, we can do that. Solution. Solution, I can equals to. I can rewrite this. I know that in lots of indices, anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. I can write this as 1. Let me go ahead and do that. So this will be 3x all over 1 equals to root of x, square root of x. All right, so 3x divided by 1 is going to be what? 3x equals to the square root of what? X. I know that in lots of indices, if I have a square root, I can rewrite this as, this can be rewritten as x to the power of 1 all over 2. If that is the case, I can go ahead and write it that way. That means this will be equals to 3x equals to x to the power of 1 all over 2. X to the power of 1 all over 2. Okay, so now I can raise the powers. I will want to look for a way to eliminate 1 over 2. So for me to eliminate 1 over 2, I know if I multiply this power, if I multiply this particular power by 2, all right, it's going to eliminate this. Okay, it simply means if I have 1 all over 2 times 2, that will be equals to 2 all over 2, which is equals to 1. So can I take advantage of, can I apply this here? But mind you, whatever you're doing at this side of the bracket, you're doing that at the other side of the bracket. So let's go ahead and do that. That means, it simply means that I'll be multiplying the powers by 2, sorry. So that means it will be 3x all squared equals to x to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 2, that's squared. In that case, I am allowed to multiply the power here by the power outside the parentheses. That means I'll be having 3x all to the power of 2 equals to x to the power of 2 all over 2. But by the time I multiply half by 2, it's going to be 2 all over 2, which is 1. All right, so 3x all to the power of 2 will be equals to x, right? Will be equals to what? X. All right. So now, what can I do again? I have, I'm going to raise this to all the powers. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. X to the power of 2 is x squared equals to x. Okay, good. So now I can divide both sides by x. Let's divide both sides by x and see. So we can eliminate, to enable us eliminate this. So divide this by x, divide this by x. All right, x divided by x is going to be equals to 1. Okay, x divided by x is going to be equals to 1. Bring down my 9. 9 is not a factor of x, so I'm going to bring down my 9 and divide x squared by x. But mind you, in laws of indices, when you're dividing, what do? You subtract the powers. So now x 2 minus 1, because the power of x here is 1, the power of 2 of x is 2. 2 minus 1 is giving you what? 1. So you bring down an x here. I'll still go ahead and divide both sides by what? I'm looking for x, right? Don't forget we're looking for x, so I'll just go ahead and divide both sides by 9. So if I'm to do that, my x will be equals to, if I'm to do that, my x will be equals to 1 all over 9. So if you found that interesting, please hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe for more interesting and challenging mathematical problems. Thank you very much and have a great day.